Welcome back to Old Studio Car, where we take you back in time and explore the machines that defined generations. Today, we're diving into the 1980 Jeep Grand Cherokee, a model that carried the rugged soul of American SUVs while bringing new updates that made it stand out on both highways and dusty mountain trails. If you love classic SUVs that combine strength, durability, and vintage character, then stay with us as we unfold everything about the 1980 Grand Cherokee, including the exterior updates, performance feel, maximum speed, fuel average, and even the price you would have paid back in the day. Starting with the exterior, the 1980 Jeep Grand Cherokee came with a refreshed design that kept its traditional square body styling but added more refinement compared to earlier models. You'll notice the wide, muscular front with its iconic Jeep vertical slat grille, a signature that never goes out of style. The updated grille trim and broader chrome elements gave it a bolder presence on the road. The rectangular headlights were a modern touch at the time, replacing older round designs and giving the SUV a more contemporary face for the 1980s era. The body lines were sharp but clean, showcasing a rugged yet mature aesthetic. It featured extended wheel arches, a slightly elevated stance, and a commanding ground clearance, all making the Grand Cherokee look ready for both city roads and mountain adventures. The chrome bumpers, roof rack options, and classic two-tone paint choices were some of the standout visual updates that made the 1980 model instantly recognizable and quite desirable. Moving to the side profile, the long and boxy structure gave it an unmistakably powerful silhouette. Large windows, framed with thick trim, enhanced visibility and added to its dominating personality. The rear carried a flat tailgate with squared-off tail lamps, making it practical for loading cargo while still maintaining that rugged Jeep identity. Overall, the exterior was built to impress anyone who admired a strong, classical SUV stance. Now let's talk about performance. The 1980 Jeep Grand Cherokee was known for its dependable and muscular engine choices. The standard powertrain included a 4.2-liter inline-6 engine, delivering around 110 horsepower. For drivers wanting more strength, Jeep offered a 5.9-liter V8 engine, which pushed out nearly 175 horsepower. These engines weren't made for modern-day sports car speed, but for their time, they delivered a solid and confident performance. The torque output was impressive, giving the Grand Cherokee enough power to climb hills, pull loads, and handle off-road challenges with ease. The driving feel was sturdy and stable, thanks to its strong suspension setup. Whether you were traveling on paved streets or rocky trails, the Grand Cherokee kept its balance well. The four-wheel drive system was one of the main reasons this model became a favorite among adventurous families and outdoor enthusiasts. It handled uneven surfaces smoothly, making it ideal for camping trips, long road journeys, and anything in between. In terms of maximum speed, the 1980 Jeep Grand Cherokee was able to reach approximately 95 to 105 miles per hour depending on engine selection. The inline-6 engine achieved the lower end of that range, while the V8 comfortably pushed beyond 100 miles per hour. It wasn't designed to be a fast SUV, but rather a dependable one that could travel long distances without hesitation. Fuel average for the 1980 model was typical of large SUVs from this era. The inline-6 engine offered around 12 to 14 miles per gallon, while the V8 engine delivered around 10 to 12 miles per gallon. It wasn't fuel efficient by today's standards, but back then, it was considered reasonable for a powerful, full-size SUV built to tackle tough terrain. Finally, let's talk about price. Back in 1980, the Jeep Grand Cherokee had a starting price of around $8,000 to $10,500 depending on trim, engine choice, and optional features. For a rugged, family-friendly, adventure-capable SUV, it was a strong value for buyers during that era. So that's the complete review of the 1980 Jeep Grand Cherokee. A classic SUV that represented durability, off-road strength, and timeless American design. If you love vintage automotive content, don't forget to subscribe to Old Studio Car for more classic rides.